While everyone chases headlines, smart money is quietly loading up on specific oil stocks, trading for less than $10 a share. These aren't just cheap, they're high-potential companies with robust operations, strategic growth plans, and significant analyst upside. Stick with us, because I'm sharing 5 undervalued energy powerhouses poised for massive gains. And by the end, you'll see a crucial side-by-side comparison that could redefine your portfolio's future. Kicking off our list at number 5 is HighPeak Energy, Inc., ticker HPK, an independent oil and natural gas company primarily focused on the acquisition, development, and production of unconventional reserves in the prolific Midland Basin of West Texas. This company is a pure-play Permian producer, leveraging horizontal drilling and established infrastructure for efficient crude oil and natural gas output. HighPeak recently navigated a challenging Q3 2025, reporting total revenues of $188.86 million, a significant drop from $271.58 million in Q3 2024 and missing analyst estimates. This underperformance was attributed to a 30% year-over-year decline in realized oil prices, falling to around $65 per barrel. The company also posted an EPS of negative $0.15 per diluted share, a stark contrast to last year's profit, largely due to a one-time non-cash loss from debt extinguishment. Despite these headwinds, HighPeak's new leadership, under interim CEO Michael Hollis, is aggressively confronting these challenges. They're implementing a 3-pillar strategy: corporate governance restructuring, scenario-based business approaches tied to oil prices, and addressing market concerns like debt reduction and its low stock float. The company has successfully extended all debt maturities to September 2028 and increased liquidity by over $170 million, providing critical breathing room for their strategic reset. Analysts currently hold a consensus hold rating with an average 12-month price target of $9.50, implying a substantial 51% upside from its current $6.28 price. Roth MKM recently reiterated a buy rating with a $12 price target, reflecting confidence in management's disciplined decision-making and commitment to operating within cash flow. While vulnerable to commodity price fluctuations, HPK's high-quality asset base, operational efficiencies achieving over $400,000 in cost savings per well, and methodical plan to address its stock float issue in 2026 to 2027 make it a compelling turnaround story with significant potential. At number 4, we have Valco Energy, Inc., ticker EGY, a US-based oil and natural gas company specializing in the acquisition, exploration, development, and operation of offshore hydrocarbon properties. Its primary assets include the Adame Marine Block in Gabon and additional interests in Equatorial Guinea and Canada, focusing on crude oil and natural gas extraction from offshore drilling operations. Valco's Q3 2025 results presented a mixed picture. The company reported an adjusted EPS of negative $0.10, missing analyst estimates by a significant $0.08, and revenue of $61.0 million, falling short of the $74.3 million expectation. Management attributed these misses to lower realized pricing and reduced sales volume, primarily due to a planned full-field maintenance shutdown in Gabon. However, despite these setbacks, the company declared a quarterly cash dividend of $0.0625 per share, demonstrating a commitment to shareholder returns. Crucially, Valco successfully completed a redetermination of its credit facility, increasing lender commitments from $190 million to $240 million. CEO George Maxwell highlighted that this move significantly enhances the company's ability to fund planned growth and opportunities. Management also increased the midpoints for full-year production and sales guidance, while simultaneously reducing full-year capital guidance by an additional 19% or $58 million, compared to original 2025 estimates, underscoring a strong focus on capital discipline. Analyst sentiment on Valco is largely positive, holding a consensus moderate buy rating, with one analyst setting a $7.27 target, implying an impressive 105% upside from its current $3.55 price. Jefferies recently reaffirmed its buy rating, maintaining its price target. While Q3 revenues were impacted by temporary operational issues, Valco's strong production levels, enhanced liquidity, and a clear focus on capital discipline position it as an attractive, undervalued play with substantial growth potential as these temporary issues resolve. Sliding into our number 3 spot is GeoPark Limited, ticker GPRK, an oil and gas exploration and production company operating across Latin America, developing and managing onshore fields. Its core assets include the Llanos 34 block in Colombia, complemented by blocks in Chile, Brazil, Ecuador, and Argentina. GeoPark delivered a truly robust Q3 2025 performance, significantly exceeding expectations. The company announced an impressive EPS of 31 cents, far surpassing the projected 13 cents, resulting in a remarkable 138.46% surprise. Revenue also outperformed forecasts, hitting $125.1 million against an anticipated $112.37 million, marking an 11.33% surprise. Following these stellar results, GeoPark's stock surged by 8.28% in post-market trading, reflecting strong investor confidence and signaling a clear positive trajectory. The company's strategic vision, disclosed on December 1st, includes an ambitious 2026 work program and guidelines for 2027 to 2028. This multi-year roadmap aims to safeguard cash from high-margin Colombian operations while rapidly accelerating unconventional development in Argentina's Vaca Muerta formation. GeoPark anticipates a significant production increase, targeting 44,000 to 46,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day in 2026, up from 2025's midpoint of 35,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day. This growth will be driven by 72 gross wells across Colombia and Argentina, with intensified Vaca Muerta activity projected to boost production to 46,000 to 48,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day by 2028. Analysts maintain a moderate buy rating for GeoPark, with an average 12-month price target of $9.50, suggesting a 13% upside from its $8.41 price. Jefferies recently reaffirmed its buy rating with a $10.50 price target. With robust earnings, strategic growth in high-potential regions, and a clear path to increased production, GeoPark Limited stands out as a high-conviction growth play in the sub-$10 energy space. Our second pick is Kosmos Energy Limited, ticker KOS, a deepwater exploration and production company based in Dallas, Texas. Kosmos focuses on acquiring, developing, and producing crude oil and natural gas from its key offshore assets in Ghana, Equatorial Guinea, Mauritania, Senegal, and the U.S. Gulf of Mexico. Kosmos Energy is navigating a complex transition, marked by mixed Q3 2025 results. While production increased to 65,500 barrels of oil per day, the company missed revenue expectations, reporting $311.23 million against a forecasted $345.25 million. EPS also came in at -$0.15, below the expected -$0.13, leading to a 6.37% stock drop. These misses were attributed to a net underlift position despite higher production volumes. However, beneath these challenges, Kosmos is demonstrating strategic resilience and progress. The company has achieved substantial cost reductions, with operating expenses plummeting approximately 39% quarter-over-quarter to $19.5 per barrel. Kosmos has proactively addressed its 2026 bond maturities by securing a $250 million term loan from Shell and is exploring secured debt options for its Greater Tortue Amium asset to bolster its financial position. Production growth remains a significant strength, with the GTALNG project ramping towards nameplate capacity and increased output from new wells in Ghana's Jubilee field. Kosmos expects Q4 2025 production of 66,000 to 72,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day and has revised its full-year 2025 capital expenditure guidance to below $350 million. Analyst sentiment is cautious, with some downgrades reflecting concerns over Brent crude forecasts and debt. However, others like Stevens have initiated coverage with an equal weight rating and a $1.75 target, recognizing its long-term potential. While KOS faces a heavy debt load and operational uncertainties, its deepwater asset base, aggressive cost reduction, and strategic financial restructuring efforts position it as a high-risk, high-reward turnaround play in the sub-$10 category. And finally, our number one pick for today is Crescent Energy Company, ticker CRGY, an independent oil and natural gas producer with a diversified portfolio of assets across key U.S. basins, including the Eagle Ford, Permian, and Uinta. Crescent is strategically focused on generating substantial free cash flow through a blend of smart acquisitions and relentless operational efficiency. Crescent Energy's Q3 2025 revenue reached $866.6 million, a 16% increase from Q3 2024, but slightly below the $876.5 million forecast due to timing shifts and lower non-core asset contributions. The company reported an EPS loss of $0.04, missing consensus significantly, primarily due to non-cash charges from asset impairments and acquisition expenses. Despite these misses, Crescent generated an impressive $204 million in free cash flow for the quarter, equating to an $822 million annualized run rate. The company is returning value to shareholders with a quarterly dividend of 12 cents per share, translating to a robust 6% annual yield. Furthermore, Crescent has executed an aggressive divestiture strategy, selling over $800 million in non-core assets year-to-date to streamline operations and strengthen its balance sheet. A transformative $3.1 billion acquisition of Vital Energy is set to position Crescent as a top 10 U.S. independent producer, with expected synergies of $90 to $100 million. Post-acquisition, management plans to significantly reduce Vital's drilling activity by 60 to 70%, aligning with Crescent's lower capital-intensive business model to enhance free cash flow. Analyst sentiment is overwhelmingly positive, with a strong buy consensus and price targets ranging from $11 to $16, implying substantial upside potential. Sibert Williams, Shank & Co. recently reiterated a buy rating with a $14 price target. Despite a high PE ratio due to recent losses, the forward PE of 5.7 signals attractive valuation metrics for future earnings. Crescent's disciplined capital allocation, strategic acquisitions, and strong free cash flow generation make it a compelling undervalued growth play with significant potential, despite the risks associated with commodity price volatility and acquisition integration. Now, let's take a quick look at the numbers. Starting with current prices, Cosmos Energy is trading at a striking $0.87, making it the most affordable entry point on this list, followed by Valco at $3.48 and HighPeak at $4.32. On the higher end, Crescent Energy comes in at $8.31. When it comes to market capitalization, Crescent Energy leads the pack with a substantial $2.1 billion, demonstrating its larger scale, while Cosmos, Geopark, and Valco are all below $500 million, potentially offering more agility and higher growth percentages if their strategies pay off. Shifting to revenue, Crescent Energy again dominates with an impressive $3.59 billion, and Cosmos isn't far behind at $1.392 billion, showcasing their significant top-line generation. HighPeak, Valco, and Geopark have more modest revenues, but for their market caps, these figures represent solid operational bases. Gross margin is where profitability gets interesting. HighPeak Energy boasts a phenomenal 79.1%, indicating incredible efficiency in turning revenue into gross profit. Geopark follows strong at 73.5%, and Valco at 61.1%, all demonstrating robust core business profitability. Cosmos, by comparison, sits at 48.9%, which is respectable, but highlights some of the operational complexities it faces. As for dividend yield, Valco Energy offers the highest at 7.2%, making it a compelling choice for income-focused investors, followed closely by Crescent Energy at 5.8% and HighPeak at 3.7%. Geopark provides a modest 1.7%, while Cosmos currently doesn't offer a dividend, likely reinvesting all earnings into growth and debt management. Finally, earnings per share tells us who's truly profitable on the bottom line. Geopark leads with a healthy 66 cents per share, followed by HighPeak at 39 cents and Valco at 27 cents. Crescent Energy shows a positive 1 cent 11, indicating it's turning a profit despite recent challenges. However, Cosmos is currently in the red with an EPS of negative 0.69, underscoring its ongoing transitional phase and the risks it presents, though also hinting at massive upside if it can achieve profitability. So these are 5 cheap oil stocks under $10 that could redefine your portfolio. Which of these undervalued energy plays stands out the most for your portfolio? And why? Drop your thoughts and predictions in the comments section below. I love hearing your perspective. And if you're looking for even more hidden gems, don't miss our video right here on 7 most undervalued stocks with explosive potential.